Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I was scrolling through Pinterest and saw a calendar like this. It seemed unique and cute, so I thought to try it. Now, let's start. First, I'm searching Canva in Chrome browser and logging into my free Canva account. Now, let's click on Custom Size. I'm taking a 6x4" canvas. I want its background to be black, so I'm clicking on Elements, then searching for black background. Okay, I selected a photo and made it the background of the canvas. Now, let's make its cover. I'm adding a text as the header and changing the font. It should be simple, so I'm adding a simple and cute design. And it's done.
Now, let's move to the main part. I'm clicking on Add Page and adding the same background here. Now, I want to add a nature-related picture in the left and the dates in the right side. Let's add the picture first. Okay, I got it. Let's adjust it. Okay, I think that's great. Let's soften its edges. And done. Now, for the calendar, I'm going to Apps and searching for Calendar Maker. It's a free Canva app. I'm just selecting the month and clicking on Add to Design. And it's ready. Let's modify it. I'm changing the background. Now the border color. Changing font. Okay. It looks well, but I forgot to add the month name. Let's do it. Okay, it's done. Let's move to the next months. Okay. Time for a shortcut. As all of the pages have same background, we can just click on Duplicate Page. And a duplicate page appears. Now we have to change the assets as necessary. For styling the calendar, we can copy the style of a previous calendar. And just paste it. All the existing designs are applied successfully. In the same process, I've created all the months. Now, let's download it. I'm clicking on File. And then Download. Here I'm selecting PNG format. But you can try any of them. Then, click Download. In a few seconds, it will start downloading. Okay, it is downloaded as a zip file, so I'm right-clicking on it. And selecting Extract All. Here you can select the destination. I'm keeping as it is. All the files are extracted, and you can see the quality. It is ready to print. So, that's for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.